Aviation 6, okay.
Aviation 6%, okay.
Be advised that on the 106th floor, the floor is crumbling. People are trapped at that location.
Yes, got it, Central.
In 1993, we were able to rescue people off the roof. So having experienced this somewhat before, we kind of thought that was going to be the same game plan.
You can call 45 off. 45 splits can you off, 10-5.
But as we're approaching, you could start to see the size and scope of this.
You stand by. You stand by what? We'll get the Harbor Base on it. Citywide Central Harbor Base, Kate.
First thing we did was survey the rooftops of both the north and the south tower.
Command post on the air, command post.
The south tower, the amount of smoke that was billowing up and coming over the roof.
Aviation on the air? Aviation on the air. Aviation 3, proceed with the message.
As people hanging off the windows about 5 floors from the top. There's at least 50 people hanging on.
We proceeded over to the north tower, and there was an opening by the northwest corner.
Corner Central.
57 Truck 1, proceed, thanks.
We're taking a look at the northwest corner of the north building.
I could make out the little pebbles on the roof. I could see the individual pebbles. That's how close we were.
The male hanging on the side of the building on the Church Street side.
We continued circling the towers. If we could have saw somebody there, we would have made a try, but there was nobody up there. My heart just sunk into my stomach, and I'm looking out the window of the helicopter, and I'm seeing people.
The whole side. It's gone. The whole tower. It's gone. Holy crap. They knocked the whole freaking thing down. Holy goddamn. They did it. It's down. The second tower's down. Holy goddamn.
About 15 floors down from the top. It looks like it's totally glowing red. On the inside, it's inevitable.
You say it looks like the building's gonna collapse.
I would evacuate all people within the area of that second building. I don't think this has too much longer to go.